We're gonna flip this piece for money. First off, we're going to give it a gigantic, huge, nice cleaning. So I'm pretty sure that the mouse that came from my last video was actually in my garage. We live out in the country, so that kind of stuff happens out here. So in order for that to not ever happen again, we're gonna do the thorough cleaning outside from now on. And if you missed that video, I will link it at the end of this video. I decided on Paint Couture's British Gray for this piece because it's a light gray, it's very delicate, as I felt like this piece is. I really like the texture of this paint and how smooth it goes on, but it does have a little bit of a smell, so I would recommend painting outdoors with it. It goes on super smooth. I put 2 coats on, and then I clear coated with a satin clear coat, which you can get at any hardware store. I'm using a spray paint, which I don't normally do on my hardware, but it's super easy to do, and I have an arsenal of it in my garage. I'm using Krylon's chalky finish spray paint for the hardware. It's a beautiful color, but it came out really uneven. It was super heavy in some areas, and then it would spray really light, so I probably won't use the chalky finish again. But check out this beautiful finish. I love the way that the paint is just a little bit darker than the hardware. I could have added some glaze or some wax, but I don't feel it needed it. This simplistic elegance just speaks for itself. Sometimes you just have to leave things alone and let it ride. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments.